Lovely garden. Once upon a time, in a small town, there was a lovely garden. The garden was inhabited by colorful flowers, playful butterflies, and cheerful birds. The friendship and solidarity between the plants growing in this garden was unique. The most beloved of the flowers in the garden was a white lily. Lily always got along well with the other flowers and always did her best to make them happy. The other flowers loved her too, because she was always smiling and kind. One day, a new flower arrived from the other end of the garden. It was called Rosie, and it was yellow and crimson in color. Rosie was a little different from the other flowers, and so she felt a little shy. Would they accept her? Rosie took timid steps towards the center of the garden. The other flowers were watching her curiously. When Lily saw Rosie, she went up her and smiled. "Hi, I'm Lily. Welcome aboard," she said gently. Rosie was surprised by Lily's warm and welcome and slowly replied, "Hello, thank you. My name is Rosie," she replied slowly. Lily told Rosie what the garden was like. She put her at ease by telling her about the calm, peace, and loving atmosphere of the garden. Rosie soon met the other flowers, and they all accepted her warmly. As the days passed, Rosie began to feel better and better in the garden. Lily and the other flowers taught Rosie the secrets of the garden. She learned how important each flower is to each other, the power of working together, and how precious it is to share. There was a loving atmosphere in the garden, helping each other. Each flower appreciated each other's beauty, and together they made the garden even more colorful. By supporting each other, they grew stronger every day. Now Rosie was as much a part of the garden as the other flowers. Their love and solidarity with each other made the garden even more beautiful. Our differences make us special, and we are strengthened by our love for each other. Working together, sharing, and supporting each other is the key to true friendship and happiness.